Tesla, the world's most famous electric vehicle car producer, has undergone some turbulent last few weeks. Investors will remember this month as one to forget after the stock had its worst week since the pandemic hit back in March 2020. The stock is down 35% since the middle of September. Investors were spooked by fears of global economic downturn.
But global growth next year will slow down to 2.7%. What we see is that about a third of the global economy is going to be experiencing a contraction this year or next.
But what specific events unfolded that caused a sell-off from $300 to $200? Tesla reported car delivery misses. Musk retweeted that he intends to proceed with his Twitter acquisition, unveiled humanoid robots, and even witnessed the introduction of Mr. Musk's new fragrance. But most importantly, the EV leader missed its growth targets for Q3 and most likely for 2022. One of the main culprits for the steep price decline were the astronomically high expectations Tesla reported a few weeks back. Its car delivery numbers are a good proxy for its future revenues, but missed consensus expectations. However, deliveries were not that bad. In fact, they smashed it. Tesla actually reported the highest quarterly deliveries on record. But when you have a growth story and you miss the mark, well, the market punishes you. The next worry for Tesla investors was the Twitter acquisition. Elon has between the 19th and the 28th of October to fund. Moreover, not surprising after two deliveries misses came a revenue miss.
Q3 revenue, $21.45 billion, that's a miss.
When you have a growth story and you use the word miss, that means the stock goes down.
This was Tesla's first revenue miss since Q3 of 2021. Tesla is a company that has typically beat expectations, so a rare miss resulted in investors being shocked, blaming the strong dollar as well as production and delivery bottlenecks. Tesla is a growth story with accumulated annual growth rate of its top line of 50% over the past few years. What's more is that the company's CEO has projected this high growth rate to continue into the future. And whenever you get a miss, the stock falls heavily. Apart from the company's specific issue, the EV leader also faces some serious macro headwinds. There are deep investor concerns that consumers could be discouraged by the weak global economy and higher prices for Tesla vehicles. Consumer demand is cooling as inflation surges and interest rates climb. Mr. Musk himself admits that.
I wouldn't say it's recession-proof, but it's certainly recession-resilient.
High and sticky inflation has indeed caused mayhem in the financial markets, with major indices down over 20% since the start of the year. Even some parallels of the great financial crisis can be drawn with the way that 2022's stock market has been behaving so far, hinting at some more pain to come. To conclude, nobody's invincible. Success stories come and they go. The company is also facing some serious headwinds in its growth story narrative combined with a looming economic recession. So what do you think will happen? Will Tesla's growth story continue? Or overpromising and under-delivering cause more investor disappointment to the future? Please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.